back to another episode of Farm Fresh Bites. My name is Maya, and I'm the community chef here at Red Hook Farms. And today we're making a lettuce salad with some apples, a balsamic vinaigrette, and you'll want to stay tuned for this week's code word that you can use at Saturday Farm Stand to get yourself some health bucks that you can use toward your purchase. So we're going to get started. First step is getting all of your vegetables washed and ready to go. Next step is to chop your lettuce into small dice. Then you're going to cut your apples into a small dice as well. Also, if you didn't know, you can use Health Bucks at the farm stand, and Health Bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This week's code word is Golden Delicious. Once you have your apples and lettuce combined, you're going to start to make your vinaigrette, where you'll combine honey, salt, balsamic vinegar, and oil in a bowl or container, using a fork or whisk to stir it up, or you can put it in a container and shake it, and then you will pour that over your salad. Once you've poured the balsamic vinaigrette over the salad, you can just stir everything to combine, either using tongs or your hands, and enjoy.